So our parents are getting older. Not a surprise, we're getting older. We'd like to deny it, but it's true. My name is Nicole Ruth and I'm with Fairway Mortgage. Well, Fannie Mae rolled out a program specifically for the aging generation about 9 to 12 months ago. But a lot of loan officers are missing the key fundamental of that program change. What that's allowing is for parents who are older but still capable and do not need to be in any kind of assisted facility, want to have their own home, but might not be able to afford it. Whether they've run into credit issues, whether they had a foreclosure, maybe it was the death of another parent that spun their credit out of control, or they're living on Social Security or pension. Well, now the children can purchase that home for their parents in the parent's name, but the child is on the loan, and the child is going to be treated as a primary home. So as long as you can afford your parents' home on your salary and with your debts, you will purchase that home with as little as 5% down and with a primary home interest rate. This can be significant because for years and years, kids were buying homes, and I've done many of them myself, buying homes for their parents where several siblings even had to come together to combine forces because they had to put 20% down and purchase that home as an investment, but no rental income because typically the parent wasn't paying anything. Well, that could have been detrimental to the debt-to-income ratio and could have killed the deal and not allowed you to put your parent in a home that you knew that they were capable of living in but might not have been capable of qualifying for. Well, not only does this Fannie Mae program relate to children buying homes for their parents, but it also relates to parents buying homes for their disabled children. This, again, significant because it keeps you from having to purchase that home for a disabled child or parent as an investment, allowing you to only put 5% down, get the primary home mortgage interest, as well as the primary home interest rate. Significant change, and many people just simply aren't taking advantage of it. But with our parents aging, we need to. If you have parents that are looking at being in this situation or you want to help those, then give me a call. Let's go through the numbers and let's make sure that we're doing the right thing for our parents together. Again, my name is Nicole Ruth. I'm with Fairway Mortgage, and you can give our office a call at 303-214-6393. Looking forward to hearing from you.